better. It's a funny thing. But in any case, hello there. My name is Chris Palmer. In today's external link building, how to build a better or a semantically correct external backlink. You know, we're all very, very, very accustomed to getting backlinks, right? So getting external links from another website to our own. We generally want to build links that are highly relevant or semantically correct for our niche, right? And the better the backlink, the better off that our websites can do semantically within the web. So what I want to walk you through today is a way to understand and build a much better external backlink. But first, before we can start getting into what makes a better external backlink or how to build a semantically correct external backlink, what I would like to go ahead and do first and foremost is what exactly is a external backlink. All right, so external backlink definition is, just for anyone that perhaps maybe is not aware, let's just as a refresher, right? So let's go ahead and do this. So a backlink is any incoming link to a website from another website. It's a way to record or keep track of external websites that link to a website of an individual or organization. I'm not really feeling that definition too much, so we're going to go down just a little bit more. What are external backlinks? Generally, external backlinks are those links that links to a site or any of its pages or content. So linking from my site to another site of relevant context. So these, I have a little bit of a better answer, but that's okay. This really gets to the point. Now, something I would like to share with you is, well, how do I figure out what's going to be a semantically correct external link? Oftentimes, what we'll do is we will say, pick an industry. It doesn't matter. What we'll do is we'll say that we're selling blenders. Okay, we're selling blenders. We're looking for blenders. We go on down the page, and let's just say we're coming into here, and generally, what we're going to do is we're going to open up our tools or whatever you look at, and we want to figure out, okay, what external links are on the page? And we generally are going to build external links going to the same types of sources as our counterparts, as our competition. And oftentimes this can be good, but it's not 1,000% semantically correct. And if we're looking at a local website, all right, I want to look at multiple facets, right? So if we're looking at a local website, let's say we're a plumber. Okay, so plumbers in New York. All right, I don't know any of these sites. I'm just showing these. These are just basic examples. Let's say that let's say we're in the plumber niche. We want to rank in New York. I don't know who this site is. It's just an example again. But when we're looking at this, again, we're going to use the same thing. And oftentimes in local markets, what you'll tend to find is you'll see them link out to their licensing agents if it's a type of business that has to have a license, or you're going to link out to a government agency of some sort and or an EDU. Now, what I would like to maybe propose as a better way or a more semantic way of external linking is going to be, let's say that you are, for instance, a chiropractor. Okay, so chiropractor, and I want you to take a look at Wikipedia, all right? Wikipedia, okay? So again, these are the most reputable sources. Oftentimes, semantically, right, we want to link to the references that are going to be the most reputable. And what's more linked to than Wikipedia? Nothing. So if on Wikipedia, something that's curated, inside of Wikipedia, if you scroll down, I'll show you this. Every single topic, almost, that's on the web is going to have its own Wikipedia page. Inside of a Wikipedia page, I want you to take the time to scroll down to the bottom. And as you can see here, we have a magnitude of references, all right? Other than your licensing agencies, other than your perhaps .govs or .edus or other links that might be highly relevant, might I lend you a suggestion of keeping it as semantic as possible? If we have a page, instead of just linking to, say, a chiropractic page as an external link to an authority source, instead, why don't we reference other references that an authority source is referencing out to? This way, we're 100%, we're staying semantic within the web. These have been deemed the most relevant resources for creating and building this chiropractic page. And this is just a local example. So what I'm getting at is, for an external backlink, if you want to stay semantic, if you want a better external backlink for your external link building, might I suggest doing a brief search within Wikipedia, having a look at the resources that they're already utilizing, and using these as your external link building sources. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have any questions related to external link building or link building externally, please feel free to go ahead and ask any of those questions in the section below, and I always look forward to seeing you in the next external link building, how to build better external backlinks video. Have a wonderful day.